Okay, now we're going to assemble the utensils. What we're going to need for the pot roast are aluminum roasting pan, cutting board, flexible cutting board, a bowl for the seasonings, spoon to mix the seasonings, aluminum foil to line the pan, a knife to cut the pork roast. Okay, and we have here a thermometer. The thermometer is going to check the internal temperature of the pork roast. The pork roast has to reach a minimum temperature of 160 degrees. What we're looking for here, or what I want to do, is get to about 165, 170 to be on the safe side. And what you want to do is you want to check the internal temperature in the center of your protein. So what we're going to do is take this here and insert it into the meat, and then go follow it right down with a glass thermometer in there, making sure we don't hit gristle or bone. It'll change the temperature of it. We want to get right into the center of the meat, and everything should be, and if it gets up to 170, we're good to go.